what do you want in 2026? I want you to write down your answers in 3 areas. The first one is income and financial stability. Income and financial stability. The second area is in leadership and influence. Leadership and influence. And the third area is in time, freedom, and lifestyle. So if December 2026, I think I said 20 too many times, 2026 arrived today, what would need to be true for you to say, this was my best year ever? I know one of the things I want to say is I'm living my best life. What would need to happen in those 3 areas, in your income and financial stability, your leadership and influence, time, freedom, and lifestyle, for you to be able to answer that question? The second question is, who do you need to become to have it? So now I want to shift from goals to identity. So here's what I need for you to think about. What habits need to change? What skills need to be developed? And what level of consistency is required? Let me say those again. What do you need to become to have it? You got to shift from your goals to identity now. So what habits need to change? What skills must be developed? And what level of consistency is going to be required? And anytime I see that word consistency, I always think about one of my favorite books, in which I will be reading once again, and I'm going to read it this month because it's January, and I want to get it in my spirit so that it follows me throughout the year. And that is Simon Chan's book, The Consistency Pill. That is one of the best